Help! We're planning a tour and we need locations.
For the past 2 decades, John's traveled the country performing jobs and workshops, teaching people safe and effective techniques on how to repair gravestones and monuments. In 2017, he helped reconstruct and reset what may be the oldest gravestone in America, known as the Knight's Tomb in Jamestown, Virginia. So I guess you could say he's kind of an expert. In 2020, he embarked on a mission that we call the 48 State Tour. The goal was to perform 48 gravestone preservation workshops in 48 states in 48 days. Unfortunately, some of the events were canceled due to inclement weather, but overall, it was a huge success. I'm not quite sure what the longest drive between events was, but he's crazy enough to try to complete the mission again. We've met some real cool people along the way in person and on social media that share our passion in restoring America's cemeteries, cleaning gravestones, talking about their history, and honoring our veterans. It's kind of like a thing now, plus their videos are dope. Shout out TikTok! Now, to the point of this video. We need locations in a handful of states for the upcoming tour, and we need your help. I forgot to mention that all of these events are free and open to the public, so it's pretty much a win-win. We're looking for historic cemeteries in need of cleaning and repair. The most important thing we need is permission to hold a workshop. This is granted by whomever is in charge, a town, county, church, organization, or just one person. This is the part that can be super tricky, but we absolutely need it before moving forward. So, here's the deal. We have 38 confirmed spots and we need your suggestions in the following 10 states: South Carolina, Florida, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Wyoming, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, and Nevada. The tour is sponsored by Atlas Preservation and begins May 18th, so we're down to the wire. Learn more and visit 48statetour.com and email us. Let's restore America!
Help us plan this thing.